Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Arctic Ice Analgesic Gel. Yeah. Well, what this is really a kind of a menthol rub. What it does is if you have an ache in your muscles or like a pulled muscle or something, not anything really super severe, but just say it's kind of sore or something like that, from just overuse, like if you went on a long run or something, or maybe one day you worked out a little bit too hard or something like that, and you're feeling a little sore. You put this on and it soothes it and makes it feel like you've had a little massage. What you would do is you take it off, and it's like a gel, like a cream gel. Yeah. And it's pretty much straight menthol, and it's kind of a little oily, see? And you would take this and dab it. Well, you can either do it yourself, depends on where your soreness is. Like if you have it on your shoulder or something, you dab a little on your hand and start rubbing it into the area where the soreness is. Now, what I would do is, or what I've done, I'm kind of athletic and I do a lot of sports, running and things like that, and every now and then I get sore, especially in my thighs and my calves from jogging and things like that. So what I do is I'll put some on those areas at certain times. I don't use it all the time, but at times I'll do that just to make it feel a little better. And it starts to, once you put it on there, it gets into that muscle and the skin, and it feels really cold, like you put ice on there. It really, like if you put a lot on it, it really makes it feel really cold. And what that coldness does, it helps kind of relax that area and all the tension and everything in there, and it makes it feel a lot kind of more relaxed. Yeah, I mean, it's almost like putting an ice pack on there, like if you have a soreness and you put some ice on there, it kind of, makes it feel a little more relaxed, So yeah, that's what I do when I have soreness. But okay, what you want to do though, when you put this on, use my bare hands to do it. Use gloves, because if you use your hands, you're going to feel that cold iciness on your hands, and this is, like I said, a straight menthol smell. And if you smell menthol, it smells pretty strong. It's very intense, and it lingers. Yeah, so you shouldn't plan on like going out or anything. This should be done like in the evening when you're in for the day and not really planning on doing anything else afterwards. And use gloves. Put some latex gloves or something on, and then dab it in there, and then put it on your sore area. That is what I do, and because I really don't like it to get on my hands. It's very annoying to have to deal with that menthol smell all evening long. So you can, you can get rid of the gloves and just have it on that spot. Now, once you put it on there and it feels, it soothes it and everything, you get the whole effect of comfortable it is, and, it gets in there. Like, just take a shower or something and rinse it off, because like I said, that smell, it's pretty intense, and you don't want to have it all through the night, if you're sleeping. I mean, if you can take it, go right ahead. But for me, I need to take it off and wash it off, after a while. I keep it on for maybe a couple hours, like before I'll go to bed, and then I'll take a shower and I'll rinse it all off and then be done with it, and yeah, because it does smell pretty intense, but it does work. It works very well, actually. You will feel the difference, and it's pretty strong. Yeah, I've used this for at least 3 years. I like it a lot. It does the job, but it has a strong smell. Yeah, menthol. Okay, well, that is the Arctic Ice Analgesic Gel. Analgesic Gel, that's a strange name, but Ice Analgesic Gel, yeah. Okay, I hope you use this information, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.